If Steam is giving you a download error, like a disk write error, content servers unreachable, or a connection timed out message, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes, step by step, so you can get your downloads working again without guessing. And if this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. Let's start with the simplest fix first. Fully restart Steam. Don't just minimize it or close the window. You want to completely exit Steam, then open it again. This can clear temporary process locks and refresh the download process, especially if Steam got stuck in the middle of a file transfer. If that doesn't solve it, the next thing to try is running Steam as an administrator. On Windows, right-click your Steam shortcut, choose Properties, then go to the Compatibility tab. From there, check the box that says Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply, then open Steam again. This gives Steam elevated permission to write files properly, which can help if the error is related to access restrictions. Now let's check your disk space, because this is a very common cause of Steam download errors. Even if it looks like you have enough room, Steam often needs extra space while unpacking files during installation. A good rule is to make sure your target drive has at least double the download size available. For example, if a game is 50 gigabytes, try to have around 100 gigabytes free. This helps prevent unpacking failures and disk write problems. If the error is still happening, the next fix is to clear the download cache. This is one of the most effective solutions for stuck downloads, frozen progress bars, or speeds dropping to 0 bytes per second. To do this, open Steam, go to Settings, then click Downloads. Look for the Clear Download Cache button and click it. Steam will restart automatically after that, and you'll need to log back in. Once you sign in again, try the download one more time. If the issue continues, the problem may be with Steam's library folder permissions. In that case, you'll want to repair the library folder. This can fix access issues where Steam is denied permission to write into its own folders. To do that, open Steam again, go to Settings, then Storage. Find the drive where your game is being installed, click the 3 dots next to it, and choose Repair Folder. Let Steam finish the repair process, then test the download again. At this point, one of these steps usually fixes the problem. In most cases, it's either a cache issue, a permissions issue, or not enough free space on the drive. If you've been getting repeated download errors, going through these fixes in order is the best way to get Steam working normally again. If this video helped, please like the video and subscribe for more easy tech fixes, PC tutorials, and gaming troubleshooting guides. And if you want, I can also make a follow-up video on how to fix Steam download speed issues, connection errors, or disk write errors in more depth. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.